Hello guys, welcome back to this course as a web designer or a web development. In the previous video, we have designed till here. You can see here we have designed this skills heading and this paragraph. So today we will continue this design. So first of all, let's go to the editor here and here where this one after in this section after this paragraph in the section of courses here let's create one div class row. Inside this class row, let's create one div class courses call, and inside this let's create one heading and paragraph like this. You can say one heading and one paragraph. You can type like this. Let's make it aligned here. Now just copy this again and paste two times. One more time here. Now just change this to advanced. Sorry, intermediate. Sorry for the mistake. Okay guys, intermediate. Now here add experience. You can change all these text here, like instead of this HTML, Python, Java, Dart, Flutter, React, and here you can see PHP, Ruby, and other related JavaScript, and here like this. So Control S, let's see how it's look in the browser. You can see it's looking like this, but it's not looking well. We have to design this very well. So it's looking not good like. So come to CSS, and first of all, so just copy this row class, come here in the CSS, and here write like this, and margin top 5%, and display flex. Justify content space between. Control S, let's see how it's look in the browser. Well, it's looking nice now. You can see now there is a space between all these contents. Now next, so next we have to just come here and just copy this call courses, copy, come here style, and here put is like, and here flex basics 31%, and background will be, sorry, not background color will be, background will be this one. Okay guys, border radius margin bottom 5%, padding 12 20 12, box sizing border box. Control S, let's see how it look. You can see this is looking very nice. And next is, now next let's change the color first of all. I think it's going to come here CSS, and instead of this just change it to this one. Control S, let's see how it's look. Now it's look good, it's looking well. Let's little bit style this heading. So come here CSS file, and here S3, and here write text aligns center, and font weight 600, and then margin 10 pixels, 0. Control S. Let's see how it looks. Now this is looking very well. Now let's come back to here and copy this call, and here write course call, okay, and then here write hover, and right here box shadow, and this one box shadow will be this 0%, and you can say 0% 0 20, sorry 20 pixel 0 pixel GBA, this one, okay. Control S. Let's see how to somewhere is we have mistake, I think here. Course call, copy it, paste it here. Control S. Yes, you can see, but it's like jerking, it's not smoothing. So we want to make it smoothness. So when we hover, it smoothly should be shadow should be applied smoothly. So for that, come here and here transition 0.5 second. Control S. Let's see. Yeah, it's looking nice. You can see, or you can change the color here to 0.5. Control S. You can see the shadow is appearing when we hovering on it. You can see. Yeah, that's all. Now next, what is, so guys, if suppose we open this in a small devices like this, right click and here small devices, so you can see it's not looking well, it's not looking good. So we have to write CSS in media query. So for that, come back here in the CSS file and here write add the media max, add the media maximum width 700 pixel, 700. So that what we have to write this, and then copy this row, come back here and write it here and open bracket and flex direction column, okay. Control S and see how it's look. Yeah, you can see. And just close it here, from here this and this one, and you can see now column is looking very well accurately in the center of this screen width. Okay, this is small device or mobile, and so it's looking like this very well, responsive, fully responsive. So next, what you have to do, so after this sections of these columns like this, after the seg skills, we have to add one more section. So come here, CSS and HTML file, and after this section, and here let's make it in lines very well, and so that it's look well. Yeah, right, it's okay. Now right here section and give the name, class name services, okay, and close it, and here heading h1 and write our services and write one paragraph. You can say We provide websites. Sorry, websites. Sorry guys for speeding. This website development, mobile applications, and many more. Contact us for more information. Okay guys, so we have this section, and inside this we have this h1 and this paragraph. And if I save it, Ctrl S and C browser, you can see this is here in the bottom of this sections. So let's style it. So come to CSS file and just copy this first, copy this class, and come here, and here write first comment. Our services section, and here write this HTML, this one, this service is copy, come here and then paste it here and open bracket, and then write width 80%, margin auto, text align center, margin top 50%, not percent, pixel. Control S, let's see browser, you can see now it's looking in the center. Instead of margin, write here padding, okay, and this like this, padding top. Control S. Wow, now it's in the center. So next we have to put some columns inside here. So come here, div and HTML file, and here we have to write div class row, and inside this row we have to create one div class service call, services call, and then inside this we have to put one image, img source images, and we have to save one image because we don't have a still image. So step by step I'm telling you, you can download any image from the Google and then crop it by the Photoshop, whatever editor you have in your computer, and just save in your folder. So I have downloaded one images and I have cropped it by the height 512 and 701 height. You can see here this one building, the name of this building. I will provide all these images after completing this course in the description. Okay guys, don't worry, you can use all the same. So this picture I have downloaded, and here I will access this images and this building and close it. Control S, go to browser, how it's look. You can see now it's looking like this. We have to design style this image. Okay, so for that, now go to CSS file and here just copy this service call, copy it, go to CSS file and down below here paste it here, open bracket, and then flex basics 30%, border radius 10 pixel, margin bottom 30 pixels, overflow hidden, position will be relative. Control S, see how it's look. You can see it's look like this. Next we have to CSS for this image. So for that come to CSS, and here copy this service call and copy and paste it again here and write img, and width will be 100% for this. Control S and check in browser. You can see now the image size is 100%. You can see now. Now we have to apply some effect on this images. So for that, come here, see HTML file again, and here. So here after this image, let's create one div class and give it a name layer. And here inside this here h3, and you can give a name anywhere, like just same image name building. Now copy this class name, come to CSS, and here write. So for this layer, the height will be 100%, width will be 100%, and background will be RGBA 277.00.7. instead of 226, okay, it's okay. And then position absolute, top 0, left 0. Control S, let's see how it's look. You can see now this image has the layer over it, and you can say is overlay, and buildings with text of building, you can see here. So in the next video we will continue this designing, and that's all for this video, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.